Tally-ho, Joolz Guides here, in which I wander around London and tell you fascinating facts. And this week, we're in Soho. For over 100 years, Soho has attracted lots of Italians. There are Italian cafes, Italian restaurants, Italian delicatessens. Since my mum's Italian, I thought we'll see some of these places. But who better to go with than my friend Enzo Oliveri, the Sicilian chef. And he's worked with Gordon Ramsay in The F Word, Aldo Zilli, the chef. Let's go and meet him at his restaurant. Ciao Enzo.
Ciao, Joolz. How are you? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Just reading about Enzo, he's got the equivalent of an MBE in Italy.
Right,
What's it called in
Italian.
Italy?
It's a Cavaliere Ossi. This is the OB.
Oh, nice.
Look.
So are these all people who have come here to your restaurant?
Yes. Yeah, most of them, yes. Some, I went to them.
Boris Johnson. I thought that was Bob Geldof to begin with.
No,
But
it's Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
He's dancing there in the middle of the floor there.
Al Pacino?
Yeah. Yeah, he's having pasta spaghetti meatballs here. He likes his meatballs.
Sylvester Stallone. Michael Douglas. John Travolta.
John Travolta. Charlie Sheen.
What the?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute, Arnie!
Yeah.
Arnie. This is like a real wall of fame. I mean, but wait a minute, so I don't see me on here though.
Not yet.
No,
not yet.
I need a frame.
You'll be. Rupert Street.
Rupert Street.
Yeah, it's right in the corner there. There is a restaurant that was mine up to 3 years ago. Then I sold it. Somebody made me an offer I couldn't refuse. I've done more than 50 restaurants in my life.
I was trying to keep out all Godfather-related remarks from this video, but he started it all right.
That's all right. Just happened to be there.
So there have been two main periods in history where Britain has taken sort of Italian refugees. What was it that they were running away from in around 1880? Is that when they unified Italy? Is that something to do with Garibaldi?
Yes, used to be the kingdom of the two Sicilies. Sicily used to be the main, it was going from Sicily to Naples.
Yeah.
Then Garibaldi decided.
The guy invented the biscuits.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, no, one. Come on.
Sorry, and he's the guy who unified Italy. But so why? But a lot of people, they ended up running away to England.
That's right. Yes.
And then they settled in places like Soho and Clerkenwell.
Yeah.
This is Old Compton Street.
Old Compton Street. That was my first job when I got here. I was only 16 when I got my first job here as a waiter first. And my coffee. This was my bar where I used to get my espresso every day. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Come va? Tutto bene?
This place has been here since 1949, and look, it's got this lovely original floor.
And I remember in the 70s or 80s, this place used to be the meeting points for Italians. It used to be a recruitment place as well, because if you used to need a waiter or a chef, you used to come here, talk about it, and that was a place where you could get a job in Soho. The Gaggia machine, they are very old, very expensive, but the best machine ever.
This is an original, isn't it?
This is an original machine. You see, with the arms, they are very. Now you don't see anymore these arms again because they are dangerous. There's a lot of people that have problem with their chin.
Oh, yeah, not me, mate.
No, you could. People like me, they have problem with the chin.
When do you have the espresso? When should I drink a cup? Because you know, we stupid Brits, we just have a cappuccino any time of day, whatever.
Even after your meal, and we look at you like you got two heads. When you order a cappuccino in an Italian restaurant after a meal, you say, all right, yeah, you want it, but espresso, yes. Cappuccino is for breakfast in the morning with a bun. After that, that's it, no more.
Were you in here when Italy won the World Cup?
Yes, I was.
Yeah? How was it?
Oh, I was electric. Marco Tardelli scored the goal. Everybody wants. Yeah.
That was the most famous. That's my favorite goal celebration of all time. That one.
I've become a friend of Marco Tardelli in the last 10 years. Yeah, we are very good friends now.
Buona giornata. A little Italy. Now, I've never been in here. What goes on in here?
It becomes a nightclub. You can dance there. You eat a nice food.
When I was a bit younger and more cool, you get drunk in Soho, and then all the pubs would close, and you're looking for somewhere to go out afterwards, and that was always really difficult. They've got all these funny little bars and artist things where you're down in the basement. But this is a good place. This one was always one of them, but I don't know, I quite often didn't look the part, so they wouldn't let me in because I looked a bit scruffy. You don't hang right. Hey, you don't hang right. Ciao, bello. How long have you been in here then? How long have you been working here?
Only 48 years.
Oh, only.
Oh,
Is that all?
He was a little boy when he came.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. When I came to work here, it used to be 80% of Italian clients.
Yeah.
At least 80%. Today, if we got, what was it, 5%? This road, there used to be all Italian restaurants. The hotel there used to be Osteria Romana.
Osteria Romano.
Oh, I remember it well. And the Groucho's Club, which is a big place.
The Groucho, yeah.
That used to be Gennaro's, which used to be the Charlie Forte's sister.
Have people ask for a comb over then? Do you come
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
That's a famous haircut, the Perry comb over.
How long do you think you're going to be here still?
They've been trying to kick us out for 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Then after 2 years we decided, yes, you can have the place back. And now since we decided to move out, we can go. A guy locked himself upstairs. The guy is still upstairs, nearly 6 months.
More refusing to leave?
Refused to leave, yes.
I've just asked Vito if he's busy this weekend. He said he's doing some horse training, I know what he means. Joolz!
Yeah, thanks, ciao.
If I could reach, I would kiss you, but I can't.
I'm not sure about all this funny Italian kissing thing. It takes ages to say goodbye to everyone. Just to interrupt, I think you wanted to go in here, didn't you?
No, this later tonight.
Right. Okay, so we're going to Camisa.
The oldest delicatessen in here, and we're going to get some nice oil there. I'm going to cook lunch for you today.
Good job. Excellent. I
Yes.
haven't eaten properly for ages. Yeah, my mum used to come here when I was young, but back in the 30s, these Camisa brothers set up this delicatessen, but then when the war came along, because we were at war with Italy and Germany, they rounded them all up and put them in camps in places like Surrey and Bury, and some of these Italians were put on a boat called the Arandora Star, and the Camisa brothers were very upset that they didn't get to go on it because they were hoping to go to Canada, where they thought life would be better. So they were sent to, I think, the Isle of Man. But actually they were very fortunate because the Arandora Star, which was taking people to Canada, all these Italians, it was sunk by the Hun, by the Bosch. The Germans sank it.
And they wouldn't be here.
We wouldn't be doing this video right now. So?
Maybe because the Italian, they go like the wind. If the wind goes that way, we go that way.
Yeah, well-
So when the Germans, they didn't know what we was going to do.
My mother says that Italians have never finished the war on the same side, except once when they changed sides twice in the same war.
Buongiorno.
Smells very
Tutto
authentic.
bene? Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Grazie. I think I'm gonna do the dish Al Pacino likes, which is spaghetti meatballs. Possibile avere 100 grammi di parmigiano?
25 cards.
Una ciabatta piccola o una ciabatta grande?
Una ciabatta grande, signora.
Come no?
Sì.
Come no?
Sì.
Is that right? Do I sound Italian saying that?
No, you don't.
No,
You
no.
don't look Italian to start with. Never mind about sounding
I'm
Italian.
half Italian.
They import everything from Italy and they select the best of the best.
If you're very lazy like me, you can just come and buy some of the ravioli, and I don't know, they've probably got sauce as well, haven't they? That you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
just- yeah. The way they do it in Italy is that they'll just have butter with sage.
You melt the butter, you put the sage and you let fry in the butter. And when you boil the ravioli on the separate side, then you toss on there with a little bit of water, pasta water, and it's the greatest thing that you can have. Bit of pepper. That's it.
nome conosco.
Yeah, sorry, I apologize.
Massage down here.
No, later.
I had a friend who worked outside one of those bars, you know, where the ladies who wear the short skirts, they try to get you to go in.
Did you ever go for a massage?
No, I did go. I went to one of the peep shows once down here. They had all these peep shows and sort of strip bars and stuff. I mean, Raymond Review Bar over here. I mean, Paul Raymond, wasn't he the king of Soho? He owned loads of
the
places in
places.
Soho. Viagra. Oh,
That's the menu.
I don't, yeah.
Buongiorno. Can I have one onion?
One onion.
Yes. One aubergine, 3 tomato.
They all used to be fruit and veg down here. Now it's all turned into
Yeah.
street food.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Ciao,
You too. Bye-bye.
thank you. No, if you write street food in front of your stall, apparently that's very cool. Maybe you should hang a sign outside your restaurant. Sicilian street food.
So what we're going to be doing today is just something simple. Penna means a pen. And look, The shape of this pen is because it's got the
Like a stylus.
yes. That's why it's called penne. The water have to be 100 degrees, means you have to be boiling.
Yeah.
If it doesn't boil, then it will stick together. Some people put oil in there, they put so many different
No
things.
oil in the water.
No oil in the water, no. Nowadays there is a lot of vegetarian, the vegetarian meatballs that you can do with a lot of vegetable. So the first thing to do is soften up the onion to release the acid that it's got. That is a beef mincemeat, this is Parmesan cheese, this is some vegetables that have been grilled, just grilled, some parsley, breadcrumbs, my mother tomato sauce, of course. Eggs is very important because it makes the meatballs stick together.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it will fall apart. So I'm softening this onion, and we put the vegetable in one. The parsley goes in both. We put the mincemeat here.
So I need to get my hands in it.
Yes, of course.
Last time I rolled up my jacket sleeves was in the 1980s. My Miami Vice style. Nero d'avola. Black devil?
Black devil, yes. The breadcrumbs, 1 and 2. Fennel seeds here with some boiling water.
This would be complete chaos if I was doing this
Yeah,
on
look
my
at
own. I don't
that,
know
yeah.
how you're actually keeping an order on it. Cheers, by the way.
Cheese,
Cheers.
cheese. Oh, look at that. Yeah, hello.
We're cooking now.
Yeah. Can you smell it? I do the vegetarian one.
I don't know why he's trusting me
Okay.
with this. I've done this
No,
and it's all falling apart.
If it falls apart,
Just add some breadcrumbs.
yes.
Now,
Yeah, but you have to do with the love. You have
With-
to
with
do
love?
with love.
okay. How do you know which pasta goes with which sauce?
Depends what sauce have you got. If you got a sticky sauce, then it goes with flat pasta.
Have
if
you got sticky sauce, Kai? Sorry, this is a sticky sauce then, is it?
No, this is tomato sauce. And when you eat the pasta, the sauce falls off.
So these penne can capture some of the tomato sauce inside the tube.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying? They're looking
If
good,
I
you
can
know.
do this outside in the open air with you, I think imagine at home
There's
how
two of
easy.
us though. I've been doing all the work. Look.
I know. I've been slaving
He
you.
hasn't done anything.
I
It's all
know,
me.
Yeah.
Look.
That's right, because it should be deep frying, but we are like doing at home,
Yeah.
and
No,
it's
that's
not
not-
going to be perfect.
Your mother's.
Yeah, my mother tomato sauce. It's been cooked for 2 hours. It's like you're gonna meet my mom. So real, so good that you're gonna think, Rita, how are you? Hello, my friend. How are you? Okay.
Cheers. Got away with it.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Someone from the council walking past. You're always thinking.
Yeah, I was thinking,
Oh,
yeah, you see?
you
No.
see now. No, by the way, do not attempt that at home in a white
Yeah,
shirt.
no.
no. Only if you're
No.
him, you can do that.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, right.
If you know what you're doing, it's easy. So we got 2 different dishes.
You
The
definitely
basil?
take more care over it than I do.
It's with love. It's called love.
Thank you.
Here we got the vegetarian penne meatballs and no vegetarian penne meatballs.
I know which one I'm having.
That's very, very nice.
I'm the best chef in my flat.
Ah, yeah, that's true.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and have a look at all my other videos. I've got lots of other videos about London. And above all, don't forget to come and visit Enzo in his restaurant here. It's in Panton Street, just off Leicester Square. And if you want to find out more about me, you can head over to my website, joolzguides.com, where you can even book a guided tour if you like, leave donations, all that other stuff. Whatever, we're gonna eat. Let's
Yeah,
eat.
that's-
Cheers.